Hi Robuxio traders, welcome again to our new market update where we will look at Bitcoin, we will look at our portfolio's performance, we will look at how we are managing risks, and then I would like to show you some of our new strategies that we would like to put into the portfolio in December 2023. Okay, so to Bitcoin. We all know that Bitcoin is trending up, which is perfect. What is interesting is that Bitcoin is trending on quite a low volatility, because if you look at the overall volatility in, let's say, last 3 years, you can see that, for example, in bull run 2020 and 2021, the volatility was 2 to 3 times higher than it is now. So you can see that we have quite a lot of room where the volatility could pick up. But what's quite good is that it is well-known fact that an asset, if it is trading on low volatility, it tends to trend a little bit longer, because if the volatility is very high, the assets tend to go very quickly up and then making deep spikes and deep corrections in price. So let's see how the volatility will envelop. But definitely, this is a good environment that we are in now. And you can see it in our portfolio too, because, for example, our high-risk portfolio is about 20% up. And based on the portfolio you are trading, you are between 13, 15% and 20% up, which is not bad in 30 days. You can see that we are in 7 coins right now with more than 7 positions, because you know that we can have 2 positions open per 1 coin, which means that here in positions you can see only open coins, but not all the open positions. These are here. Okay, now to quite an interesting question from another of our clients, which is about managing risks. Because you guys know that we are not using hard stops. Why? Because they worsen the performance of portfolios and strategies. Because cryptocurrencies tend to have a very high volatility, which means that even in one day, then can make 20% down and another 15% up. And if we would be using these hard stops, we would pretty quickly get stopped out in any shakeout that, for example, happened 3-4 days ago, where many coins were 10% up, 15% down, and they ended up on zero, basically. And thanks to not using these hard stops, we stayed in the positions and didn't get these losses. You can even see it on our high flyer strategy, where you can see how this strategy would perform with 10% stop, 20% stop, 30% stop, or without stop. You can see that basically the higher the stop loss, the better the results. And now, of course, we are managing risks, but we are not managing them by hard stops, because there are better approaches. For example, we are having short strategies that are trading against our long strategies, and they are hedging the portfolio. So that's why we are not using hard stops. Now to our last topic, which is new strategies. You know that we are always working on new strategies, but we don't want to add strategy just for the purpose to have as many strategies in portfolio as possible. No, every strategy has to have its place in portfolio. For example, these 2 strategies, RSI long breakout and RSI short mean reversion strategy. These are very different to our current strategies in the portfolio, and they tend to stabilize the results of the portfolio much farther. That's why we would like to have them in the portfolio in the future. But they still need to go through robustness testings, and we need to see them, how they are performing with all the other strategies live. And if the results will be good, we would like to add them into the portfolio in December 2023. We are having like 5 strategies that we are thinking about. Probably not all of them will be part of the portfolio, but we will definitely show them to you because we really need you to understand what we are trading. So that's basically it. We will see how the market will envelop in following weeks, and I will definitely get in touch with you in 14 days. See you guys and happy trading. Bye.